welcome back to another video. So I've had a little Born Pretty order PR turn up. So let me get all these out and we'll see what we got. So this is how they all come packaged. They always come in a little sealer bag, and then they've got this this down the side that I can never get off. This stuff, I can never open it. And they always come in like a shrink wrap like this. So again, I'll get all these open and then I'll come back. Right, so what have we got? So I've got another super top coat because I'm really low on that, and it is fantastic stuff. I always say it. Right, so, oh, I remember now. So I have got 3 of these. These are new extension gels. So I've got 1, 3 and 5. I'll stick them up on the screen. Don't forget, guys, as well, I've got a massive 20% off code for Born Pretty. Always remember that. Yes, so this is 01. And if I remember rightly, these have got bits in them. Oh, yes, so this is like milky white extension, like Builder in a bottle. But it's got little gold bits in it. I love the look of this on the pictures. So we've got the milky white, and then number 3 is, oh wow, so this is like a milky pink, milky pale pink. Definitely going to swatch these in a sec. These are different, aren't they? And 05, probably a nude, I think. Oh, that's another pink as well. They look similar, don't they? Let's have a look at them. I'm going to swatch them anyway, but I'm curious now. What's up with my lighting? Let me fix this lighting, guys. This ain't right. I don't know what's up with my lighting. I haven't got time to mess with it. Why is it doing that? Right, so let's just get on with it, shall we? I'm going to swatch them in a minute anyway. Right, let's see what else we got. And I got 2 of their Jelly Nude Gel Polish. So I've got number 8 and number 12. So let's have a look at number 8. I think I got black and red. Woohoo! This is a deep, deep jelly red. I can't wait to try that. And I think this is the black one, because I haven't got a deep red and a deep black in a jelly. Brilliant. Right, should we give these all a swatch? I'm just going to swatch stuff today, guys, because I've got to go out. Right, I'm just going to swatch these on short sticks. All my builders and stuff I have on short sticks. So I'm going to swatch them on the inside of the swatch stick. Yeah, just to make it easier. So I think this is the milky white, isn't it? And yeah, it's got beautiful, beautiful gold shards in it. I've never seen anything like this. I've got gel polishes with like pink shards in it and black shards in it, but not an extension gel like this. I love how this looks. I love the look of that. Look at this. Isn't that cool? That bubble's going to really bug me. I'm going to have to get it out. So I'm going to stick this in the lamp, and then we'll just get the others done. I wouldn't... Oh, shit. That's what you get for trying to cut corners, guys. Obviously, I wouldn't normally do I wouldn't build a nail like this. But it's so difficult to get it inside these swatch sticks. That one needs a bit more. And I wish anything extension gel wise, builder gel wise, they need to be in bigger 10-15ml bottles, really, don't they? So this is a very, very pale milky pink. I really like that. I really like that a lot. These are so nice. Yeah, I really like these. Right, and then the last one I got was number 5. I think there might be 6 or 8 in this extension gel with the gold bits in. I think there might be 6 or 8. Yeah, I think this is just a little bit of a darker pink to what I've just done. I don't think there's much difference though, is there? We'll put them side by side in a minute. You're so far out today, aren't you? Maybe that's why my lighting wasn't feeling right. You were so zoomed out. It's because I've just been filming something that needed my camera to be really high up. And I had to change all my lighting to get pictures of it. It was really awkward. So I'm going to have to play with my lighting and get it back to how it should be. I'm so fussy with my lighting. I go mad if anybody touches it. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp. And then we'll do these jelly ones. And we'll have a look at everything at the end. I really like these. I do, I really like them. Right, so let's go straight onto these jellies now. So this one is number 8. Which is the deep red. I'm dying to see this. I hope it's a proper glass jelly. I really do. Deep, deep red. Oh, it is. It's exactly what I hoped it would be. Deep, deep, really strong colour, but still like glass, transparent. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't have any specks of dust in this. It is a really, really deep. The camera's just not going to show it. It's a really, really deep red, but it's really transparent. I love that. It's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, the camera's showing it a little bit darker than what it is. And then this one is going to be the black one. Yeah, I haven't got a really, really deep dark red and a deep dark black in a jelly. So, yeah, I'm happy with these. I think there's about eight colours in this collection as well. Right, I think this one will need 2 coats. Depends what look you're going for, doesn't it? 1 coat might be the look you're after. But yeah, these are proper transparent glass. They're not like milky or... Yeah, they're exactly what a jelly should be, completely transparent. Love that. I will give that black one a 2nd coat. If I was using it, I probably would like it a little bit darker than what 1 coat's showing. But again, it depends on the look you're going for, doesn't it? And my camera is showing colours a little bit darker than they actually are today. Need to sort that lighting out, definitely, because it's going to piss me off. Right, shall we have a look at these? We'll have a look at these extension gels first. So number 1, number 2 and number 3. I want to see 2 and 3. Not a lot in it, is there? There's not a lot in it at all. So that's 3 on the left and that's 5 on the right. So that's more of a nudie pink. I have done that a bit thinner than this one. I have. But yeah, that's like a nude milky pink. And that's more of a baby pink. I've done that a lot thinner, so yeah. And then that's the milky white. I really like them. I do. I should do that in a thicker coat just to give myself a true of what it is. Yeah, I really, really like them. I think there's something different. I like the look of that gold as well. It's not too... Because it's in that milky gel, kind of gives it a matte kind of look, doesn't it? I really like them. I do. I really like them. Anyway, that's them. I really, really like this red. It's like watered down kind of blood. It's just a really, really strong colour, isn't it? Exactly what I wanted. And the black as well. I'm really happy with that. Super, super transparent. They're not cloudy. They're not smoky. I really, really like them. Yeah, really happy with them. I might even get some more colours now that I've seen how good they are. I think they've got a lighter red. This was the deepest red that they had. I think they've got a lighter colour red as well that I might get. But yeah, I'm really happy with all of these today, actually. They're just quirky, aren't they? Anyway, that is it. Just a quick one today, guys. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with any of them yet. but I like them, I know that much. I'll leave all links below with my discount code. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.